You are my life, you are my breath, you are my heart, my only faith. From your womb my soul began. You shaped the dust and made it man.
A single tear that falls from your eyes can melt the sea, can calm the skies. Your love eternal, pure and deep, awakens hearts that dare to sleep.
Oh, Mother divine, oh light of grace, your shadow outshines heaven's place. You are my life, my every song. In your embrace I still belong.
The fire may fade, the stars may fall, but your voice still carries all the pain of loss, the sound